Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech Icon Plus. Today we are going to unbox Zebronics projector. Some features of these products are 1800p Full HD Smart LED projector and quad-core processor it also supports application screen size up to 457 centimeters. Brightness is 3400 lumens. It have one inbuilt speaker and also we are getting remote control. So some of the specifications also written here, also pricing and all. These all features are shown here. Again we have some multi-connectivity options here like AV in, AV out and dual USB, HDMI. All these options are written here. Printed MRP of this projector is 42,999 and also we can see the same price in the website as well. So this side we have the same again, ZEP Play 15 Smart LED projector, and the other side also same. So let's quickly unbox this. The weight of this box is little bit heavy. I can feel the mentioned weight is 1.5 kilograms, the net weight of the projector. So let's pull this out. Okay, let's remove this protection cover. So as soon as we open, we see some buds for cleaning, and also we have one card and one tissue kind of thing, and also one instruction paper. So these buds are used for cleaning the lens and also the tissue, and here we have one card where we can scan this and download the user manual. So this is a good thing, it will save the paper. So we are getting one card along with this. It have some cleaning instructions how to clean the lens, and we have one power cable here, and also we have one remote. So slim design, very nice design, and I feel very lightweight. We have two AAA batteries here, so we have to use AAA batteries. So we are getting also one AVG2 audio output and one HDMI to HDMI cable. So this will help when connecting with the HDMI port with the laptops or some other devices. We can use this HDMI or we can use a Bluetooth and also Wi-Fi to use inbuilt applications in the projector. Same kind like Fire Stick. We have some pre-installed applications inside this projector where we have applications like Netflix and Amazon Prime, and we can download more from the App Store and we can use those. On the top we can see one power button and one back button, volume buttons, OK button and some control buttons. So let's remove this cap. So here we have our projector lens. Inside this we have a 3000H long life LED lamp, and it gives 3400 luminous brightness. So here we have some remote control options. So this side we have one rotating knob for adjusting the focus of the picture. Back side of this projector we have some port. IR receiver also we have at the beginning, and AV in, audio output, HDMI and two USB ports, and one keystone rotating knob to adjust the tilt of the picture, and one power cable option here we have. Bottom of this projector we have one knob to adjust the tilt of this projector when we keep it on some flat surface, and we have some screw. Using this we can fix it to the ceiling, and also we have some air vents. So this projector produces much heat, so that's why it requires many air vents grills here, and also we can see some components from this side. Back side also we can see some vents. We are also having one speaker inbuilt with this projector. Not sure where they fixed, I can't see it through the grills. Maybe at the right side they fixed. I have connected the power supply. Now power on the projector. Okay, I will dim my lights and I will start this projector again. So now I'm in dark room, and let's power on this. So we have one fan inbuilt this projector, and we can hear that sound. clearly. So what we are seeing here is a projector lens and the projection image which it is projecting. Don't try to look directly into this projector light, it will harm your eyes. Now it's load all the applications and we can see all the applications in a reverse direction, but it will project on the wall properly. So using this side rotating knob, we can adjust the focus, and a backside wheel we can adjust tilt of the picture. Okay, let's see some projection options here. We have 3 options here. First is a 4-point keystone. So using this we can adjust all the 4 corners. So based upon the wall position and the projection, we can adjust these corners. Using the arrow options on the projector or from the remote control, we can adjust these settings. The next option we have here is a projection mode. This will change the display upside down. This is used when we fix the projector to the ceiling. And the next option we have a digital zoom. So we can increase the size of this picture till maximum to 100% and minimum to 50%. Even though I increased it to 100%, I don't see any kind of issues with the picture clarity. It's look good for me. Quality of this picture is a 1080p Full HD. So we are getting Full HD output picture. Okay, let's play some videos to check the picture quality and sound quality. I will play audio directly from projector.
This mission high and tight. I want to be home for dinner. So team go.
All right, ladies, let's bring the pain.
Picture quality is good and sound is okay. And we have here many options. We can use this all applications, and also we can download it from the Play Store, which is available here. Audio quality of this projector is good, but not much. So let's connect my Bluetooth speaker here. So it have an inbuilt Bluetooth, so I'm connecting to it. So I have my Sony speaker here. So let's connect and play some other videos. So now it is connected. Let's go back to the YouTube. So I'm playing some Telugu songs here. So if you're not hearing it properly, it may due to the copyrights issue, but we'll try to play this song. Okay, let's play some non-copyrights here.
శ్రీకృష్ణుని దేవుడు అని ముద్ర వేసి మనిషికి నేలకి దూరం చేయొద్దు. He is biologically born and brought upon this earth. ఆయన అపార మేధ, ఉన్నత విలువలతో జన్మ తీసుకుని ఈ నేల మీద నడిచిన మనిషి. అతను చెప్పిన ధర్మం మతం కాదు, మన జీవితం. దారి చూపించిన అతనికన్నా గురువు ఎవరు? రక్షణ కోసం సముద్రం మధ్యలో ద్వారకా నగరాన్ని కట్టిన అతనికన్నా గొప్ప ఆర్కిటెక్ట్ ఎవరు? చూపుతోనే మనసులోని మాట చెప్పే అతనికన్నా గొప్ప సైకాలజిస్ట్ ఎవరు? వేణుగానంతోనే గోవుల్ని గోపికల్ని కట్టిపడేసే అతన్ని మించిన
Finally, the video quality is good, audio quality is okay. The price of this projector after discount is 14,000. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and like, share and comments.